Hello everyone, this is Shiva. So today trending topic is immunity. So entire world we know that every human should have the best immunity. How we can build the immunity? Here I have taken some references of that fruits, waters and normal medicines. So which is the best way to increase our immunity levels? I'll demonstrate today and I'll show you all these things. The fruits I have taken here, this is mango, papaya, orange and kiwi. So four kinds of fruits I have taken. At the same time waters I have taken some RO waters, Kinley, Bisleri, and this is alcohol, and soda I have taken for reference, and soft drinks, Sprite I have taken for reference, and this is the called as the Kangen water from Japan, and here this is the ORS, green teas, vitamin C tablets I have taken for references. So I'll show you the demonstration of all these things which is the best. Before I'm showing the demonstration, some people will have the doubt about how water can improve our immunity. So let us watch this video completely to understand how water can build our immunity levels. So before I'm going, I just explain you a few minutes about the science of this water. As we know that from childhood onwards, our body consisting 70% of water, so 30% of remaining. As per this, every organ is consisting some water. So brain, blood, liver, even bones also having 22% of the water. That is the reason doctor suggesting us to every day we used to intake the water 3 to 5 liters. So today I'll explain you about antioxidants. It is nothing but the increasing our immunity levels. I'll show you one example. Some iron I have kept in outside for few days, it will get rust. If I cut the apple, I keep on the table, after few minutes it will become the brown color. The same apple I'll keep on the roadside, it will become brown color much faster than the here. So the reason behind this is called as oxidation. This is called rusting process in chemical terminology, which is called as the oxidation. The more oxidation is called the sickness and aging. To maintain the some certain immunity, we need antioxidants. The free radicals, it will increase because of oxidation. The more oxidation, the more free radicals will increase and the more it will damage our human body. So here oxidation level we can measure through ORP. So this is the ORP meter. This is ORP chart. Positive reading having the more oxidation, bad for health. Negative reading having the less oxidation, good for health. Let's check it out in our water. Kinley 220, 225, 230. Distillery around same 250. Alcohol 130, 140. Kinley 360, 370, still going on. Soda, so most people are liking these cold drinks. The oxidation level is almost around plus 400. All these are positive signs. For Kangen water, we can see minus 700. Let me show you again. Plus 400. Plus 400. Minus 700. So let us check the medication also. Here again I am checking. Kinley 250. Distillery also. Distillery also around 270, 280. I am dipping on green tea into Distillery. So I'll keep it hold for another 2 minutes. This is vitamin C tablets. We are using very much in during this pandemic. Vitamin C tablets I'm using, they are around 250 at normal water. So I'll keep some vitamin C tablets, 4 tablets I have taken. So I'm just dropping here. You can see gradually it is immediately reduced. So again here, earlier this is around 250 to 260. Now you can see slightly it was reduced. From 50 points it was reduced. Let us see ORS also. This is the ORS. So for instant energy, people are using ORS. Let us see what is the ORP and ORS also. You can see around 190. Still it is in positive only. After 4 tablets, it is around 152. Less than that, this is around 210 and around less than, and ORS around 200. Kangen water minus 700. Here we have taken fruits and Kangen water. So let us check again. So this is orange, kiwi, mango and papaya. So first of all I will check in the orange. See, orange it is having the abundance of vitamin C. So we can see here orange having the reading of around less than 100. At the same time, let us check in kiwi. Check in kiwi fruit. It is having the reading 140, less than 150 we can measure. Kiwi also one of the best fruit for vitamin C for immunity building. And this is papaya. Let me verify in papaya. See, even papaya also having less than 100. So almost it is less than 100. So here we are getting evidence of vitamin C. Taken mango. Mango less than 150. Less than 150. Let us verify in Kangen water. It is minus 670, above minus 650. The negative reading will produce more antioxidants and more immunity. So let me verify you again. Orange around less than 150. Kiwi less than 200. Mango less than 150. Papaya less than 100. All readings are positive only. Let me verify in Kangen water again. Minus 600. This is the difference between natural versus medicines. So daily we cannot take all these fruits continuously. We cannot take this many of medicine continuously, but we can take water continuously for 3 to 5 liters per day. That is the reason. So we don't get any kind of side effects with the water. Whether we can take any other things, we will get the side effects. If you are not taking any kind of vitamins and antioxidants to our body, what will happen? Immediately the side effect of it will damage our DNA. So DNA will damage, slowly it will lead to the major issues and we lost the immunity levels. Slowly it will lead to main all these kinds of diseases like diabetes, cancers, heart issues, arthritis and even aging also. the best way to improve our immunity without any side effects is the natural waters, that is Kangen water. When we increase our immunity, we can avoid all these diseases. Who will buy the Kangen machine? Either not the middle class, not the rich class. Who is having the health conscious, they will buy the Kangen machine. Who is having the more love and affection with their family, they will buy the Kangen machine. Who is having the more fear about their family, they will buy the Kangen machine. Who will not afford for the hospital bills, they will buy the Kangen machine. Who is not afford for the sickness for longer life, they will buy the Kangen machine. The finally I will tell you, the who believes prevention is better than cure, they will buy the Kangen machine. My dear friends, I have taken this machine in 2019. I used it for this 6 months. When I got the benefits, I was really shocked. So within 6 months, I got the better results in my family. Immediately, I took another machine for my loving daughter because I'm staying in outside of my hometown. So that is the reason I took 2 machines within span of 6 months. I'm having experience of this machine from last 1.5 year. I realized today, so this is the time to explain the benefits of this water to increase our immunity levels to each and every family.
Kangen water is need of the hour for every family.
Thank you very much for your patience for watching this video completely. Change your water, change your life.